Hello and welcome sa ating klase for the psychology of the exceptional children. Okay. So for the introduction of our class, we will have some orientation of the content of the syllabus as well as the output that are expected for our students to submit using the platform Canvas. So let me share my screen on this particular subject. Yes, as you can see right here, we have the syllabus for this mentioned subject, no, um, including the philosophy, vision, mission, the core values, as well as the program outcomes, and of course the course outcomes. For the course outcomes, we have the following. Number one, we have to manifest, of course, the understanding on the institution's PVM or the core values and PPS. Of course, the course content and mentioning, of course, the requirements that we'll be having in a short period. So identify etiological factors contributing to the children's physical, mental, and emotional exceptionality. So these course outcome number two is going to be integrated with the output that you will be submitting with this particular subject. For the number three, we will differentiate characteristics of conditions, recognizing advantages and disadvantages in exceptional children. Fourth one is the evaluation of assessment procedures for diagnosing children's exceptionalities, understanding their ability and limitations. Fifth is the developing intervention approaches suited to specific exceptionalities considering children's unique needs and Filipino cultural context. So with these outcome number five, we will be having some activities related to designing some programs, no, and you will be experiencing hands-on um, output for this particular outcome. And lastly, the students will implement learning programs that promote advocacy and inclusion for children with exceptionalities. For the last course outcome, we will be creating a program outside of the university. So we'll be promoting, or inside the university, promoting activities related to advocacy of this topic. So as mentioned, no, with our course syllabus, it is designed for us to conduct activities from every week or weekly um, meetings. So we have integrated learning outcomes, the topics, as well as the learning activities. For this one, the learning activity number one will be providing a concept paper with together with your classmates. Okay. So as mentioned, no, um, we'll be giving set of activities for our students. So number one, for the midterm, we'll be having a movie viewing. So you are free to conduct or choose the movie that you see relevant for your particular topic. For the finals, now we have two major output. So you'll be interviewing an SME or subject matter expert in the field of therapy or therapeutic techniques, conducting therapeutic techniques for these exceptional children. And lastly, you will be visiting a clinic, a therapy center, or an organization catering these children. Okay, so this concept paper includes these three major outputs for the prelim and finals. Okay, so for the movie viewing, you will be inviting, or midterm rather, for the midterm, you will be inviting various students in different programs. So maybe in psychology or in other programs. No? So you will be inviting them to watch this these movies, no? And of course, aside from movie viewing, you will be conducting a psychoeducation program wherein you will be explaining some of the assessment tools, no, strategies on how to mitigate problems with, you know, the social stigma, no, assigned to them, as well as managing some of the stressors, no, of the caretakers of these individuals. So along with these proposals, no, you will be integrating the philosophy, vision, mission, and core values, at least three of the core values of the university within your concept paper. So by the end of this day, you will be providing these concept paper for us to be uh, for us to count, no, your attendance as well as your activity for today's session. Okay, so from time to time or from our meetings now, within our meetings, we'll be conducting same sessions. Now, I'll be providing you with a copy of these course syllabus, no? And I'll be showing you some of the activities from time to time. So next meeting, we'll be having the topics on human exceptionality and inclusion. We will understand some provisions of the RA 9442, no, persons with disabilities. Okay, RA for persons with disabilities and other regulations that can help these individuals, especially in the Filipino setting. Okay, and also with these core syllabus, no, for the final topic for the preliminary period, we'll be understanding some of the assessment tools, diagnosis, no, and how to empower them. So we'll be discussing some assessment tools, diagnosis, components of helping process for gifted in, children with intellectual disability, and knowing the gifts of these children, as well as what are the programs that can be conducted in order for us to help these individuals. And then we will be proceeding with the midterm and the final topics. Okay, so as you may know about the grading system of the university. So this is a standard. No? Class standing is 60%, major examination is 40%, true for all the periods, no? Preliminaries, midterms, and finals. All right. So with that, um, we'll be proceeding, no, with our topic discussion for this first topic. Okay. So this is the reciting the philosophy, vision, mission, identifying class policies, requirements, demonstrating well-oriented familiarization. Okay, students will create the concept paper. All right. So the instructions for this concept paper is posted in your Canvas. So please check your Canvas, and then our next session would be on human exceptionality and inclusion. Thank you so much for attending this session, and hopefully to see you around.